Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive, supporters, and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Today I'm showing you what I'm going to be using for my, my junk journal series or process or me learning how, all of that. And I just went through my stuff and pulled out a bunch of things that I think I'm gonna use or that I want to use in the process. And I do have it kind of lined out how I want to do it. Like, I've been watching Treasure Books, and she does a faux handmade paper, so I want to do like that. Like, that would probably be like the first thing, and then, you know, making ephemera and putting the book together in stages or something like that. I just wanted to be like maybe one video a week, spread it out over like 5 days, and then make that into a playlist, so that even if you're like me, have never made a junk journal, that everything will be in this series at one time. You know what I mean? Even as far as tea dye paper. So let me stop talking and get to what I want to show you guys. This is my first attempt at doing the DIY handmade paper. This is my first attempt. Like I say, I just was following her tutorial in a sense. You know, you always put a little tweak on it here and there, but that's what I did. And this is with cardstock. And you guys remember these papers that I had? These are the ones that I did with vinegar, I think. Excuse me. And so I even used that to try to do the same technique. It didn't come out as good, but I think that I could still use these papers, like if you tear them and make, ephemera with it, or collages. I think it'll still work. I even want to put in my little rosette that I've been working on. So those are some of the things that I'm going to be using as far as the paper is concerned. Well, that's not all of it. Let me put this down. Okay. Of course, you know, I have my little sewing kit that I just purchased, and I'm going to be using it if I need to. I found these things. These are some library pockets. These are some mini library pockets. I don't know how long I've had these in my stash, but it's looked like it's 2 or 3 in there. But I want to use these. These are some tags that I got in a swap. This one was from Angelique. I can't pronounce that last name. Let's see. There's her name right there. And I can tell you, I probably got this probably about 5, probably 10 years ago. And here's another one that I want to use in this project. Just trying to make sure ain't no like personal information on the back. And that's her information, the person that I got it from. I also have dangles that I've gotten in swaps from, I'm going to say 2010. Here's one that I want to use. I want to combine these to make one dangle. Here's one. And this is the person who I got it from. And like I said, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see any of that, but there it is. And I want to use the tag as well. Here are some tags right here. Oops. Here's one that I don't have any information on it, but I still love it and I want to try and use it. This was a Halloween one, even though it's not going to be Halloween. My journal is not going to be a Halloween journal, but that's fine with me. And this is something that I did, I think a year or so ago. And this is my steampunk paperclip. So I'm going to use those things. Let me put these right here. I don't want them to get lost. I pulled out this punch right here. I pulled out some doilies. And the paper collection I'm thinking about using is this one right here. And this one is called A Timepiece from Bo Bunny. And I won't go through all of this stuff, because if we go through all this like this video is going to be hella long. But I found this piece of cloth right here. I don't know where it came from, but since I'm using timepiece, there's some clocks. We're going to try to use that. And like I said, any of this stuff will, anything can change at any time. Okay. This was a tag that I made at the Scrapbook Expo. Where did I put that? Right there. Okay, here are some paper clips that I want to incorporate. Maybe a what are these things called? Tassel. Maybe a tassel or two. Okay. I have this paper right here. This is a tea bag paper. This is for the DIY faux paper thing. So I got some of those, and I may use some other things. I have some tea-dyed lace and ribbons, or whatever this is. So I tea-dyed some of these as well. So I have that here. This is just some scrap paper that I was playing with. Tea-dye, of course. I pulled out these as well, doilies. I got these right here. I've had these in my stash forever. And these are called 4x6 5-folder dossier Empress or something like that. And they were $2.99. I'm sure I got these at Tuesday morning. And here they are. So I have 2 of each. And this one says Expedition Field Notes. And see, this one has lines on the inside. So I got 2 of those. I got this one that says My Travels. And it's like that. I have 2 of these. And I have this one that says Observation. I have 2 of those. So I want to incorporate those as well. I found these, and I think I got these in a swap. Time, faith, hello, stuff, were, and then it's got other words on the back. So I want to use those as well. I got this huge stack of 5 folders, and I know I got the cards somewhere. I'm going to see if I can find the library cards. But these are library pockets. And of course, more doilies. Like I said, any of this stuff can change at any time. More larger doilies. Here's more of the tea paper. It's not tea-dyed paper. It's just the tea bag paper. So let me put this right here as well. Hopefully nothing won't fall over. And I'm going to move this in just a second. I call myself tea-dye paper because I had never used tea. I don't think I used the tea. I used coffee and vinegar, but I hadn't used the tea. So I tea-dyed some papers, and I'm going to do a video on this too. And I used this one because I had torn it to just use to see how it would punch, how the punches would work on it. Some punches did okay, some didn't. So I got that. I got this paper several years ago. Has nothing to do with time or anything, but I got it. I want to use it. I don't know why I got my screwdriver in there. So for Ephemera, that's why I'm bringing out the punches. I got this one. I got this one. I got this tag punch, not tag, a ticket punch. Let me put these on the floor. Let's see. This is one of my oldest punches, and it makes the little library pocket, but a little really small. Do I have one up here somewhere? I know I do, but I don't tell them where it is right now. Wait a minute, here it is. Let me get it right here. Okay. It makes this little thing right here. And then I got a punch that should be in this mix right here that will punch out this tag. So I want to use that. Did that have it? I think that's it. Let me see if I move this out of the way. So, ooh, Lord, y'all. Don't be looking at that mess back there, okay? Let me put it right here. There. Block it a little bit. Okay. I got these just in case I need to make some sprays. I pulled out this book. I don't even know how long I've had it, but it has some solid pieces in there, so I might use that. I got these from a store called Dirt Cheap, and it's 2 book plates, so I may use one of those. I actually have silver as well, just in case. Oh, and I got this book. I don't even know where I got it from. This is called Redemption by Jacqueline Thomas. And so, you see my babies have been in the book, but it's upside down. But I'm pulling out pages to tea-dye so I can use this, even though it already has the, you know, the age look in it. I'm still going to pull out some pages to tea-dye. And I got more stamps, more punches to make ephemera, and this is the one for file folder. Here's that one with the tags. I got this one. Then hopefully I may be able to make some edges, do some decorative edges or decorative borders. I got this little butterfly one here. I got this one here, Martha Stewart one. And I got this one with the flowers. And okay, here's another packet of library pockets and the library cards. I pulled out this, oh Lord, embossing folder. This is the one that has the music notes on it. I pulled out this. Remember I told you guys in one of my videos that I even bought stencils for stuff. Yeah, this is one of the stencils. I got another one. I don't know where it is. But I found this one, so I pulled that out to maybe do some spraying or use those ink pads that I don't use. I have a few of these left. These are the Tim Holtz. These fragment pieces. Yeah, fragment pieces. And this stamp right here is the first rubber stamp I ever purchased. Never used. Never used. The first one, I got it at Michael's. I remember that one. Remember these things that we went goo goo gaga over from Michael's Dollar Bin? So I have these. I'm going to use these. Like stamp on the paper. On the pages, rather. There's the chair. I'm thinking it was another one, but I don't know. And I don't know why I put this in. I don't think they're supposed to be in here, but who knows. And I know you guys remember these things. These keys. Yeah. These keys may make it in as well. And of course, these sprays. Let me see. I only have a few, but these sprays that I may make some glimmer mist out of, because these are the inks. I'm not particular about these inks because they stain your hand like crazy. So I may just turn it into a glimmer mist and use it that way. I don't know. I even went and found my Nuvo drops. I don't think they will be used, but I do have them. Anything else up here? I don't think so. But that seems to be it for right now. My first, I'm gonna say my first. The next thing I will be doing is trying to, I'm gonna be doing a video on tea dyeing paper. And it's not gonna be anything serious because I've done a video on when I was doing the coffee and the vinegar. So I may do one, well, I won't say I may. I want to do one on tea, just simple tea dyeing, just so it can be part of the series. That's all. Nothing crazy. And then once I do maybe I can combine the tea dye and the DIY faux paper, handmade paper. Yeah, I think I'll do it that way. And then after that, then the next one will probably be making ephemera for the junk journal. Okay, I think I got everything. Oh, don't forget the archival ink too, but got to have that. Okay, I think that's everything I need to put back in this basket. But this is the basket of life right here. The basket of journaling. Trying to anyway. So, like I said, everything is nothing is written in stone. I could change my mind at any time of what I want to use. I might find something else somewhere and pull it out and try to use that too. So, okay, if you want to join me on this journey, please feel free. Like I said, I'm the one that has never made a junk journal before, and I am going to give it a good shot. So, like I say, please feel free to join me. There was one person that I asked if she wanted to collab. So, like I say, you know, it just depends. You know, people have a life and things happen. So, hopefully she'll be able to join me on this Collab and Learn. Okay? So, stay tuned. This is going to actually start in March. And I'm going to say the first weekend in March. I don't have my calendar in front of me. So, but I will work out like when when we're posting all that type of stuff. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.